1. TOGAF is the Open Group Architecture Framework, is architecture framework that enables you to design, evaluate, and build the right architecture for your organization. It is a detailed method and a set of supporting tools for developing enterprise architecture. Framework can provide a basis for the development of an architecture repository for the integration and reuse of models, designs, and baseline data. TOGAF provides the methods and tools for assisting in the acceptance, production, use, and maintenance of enterprise architecture. There are 4 architecture domains that are commonly accepted as subsets of overall enterprise architecture, all of which TOGAF is designed to support: the business architecture, the data architecture, application architecture, the technology architecture. The TOGAF architecture development method ADM provides a tested and repeatable process for developing architectures. The ADM includes establishing an architecture framework, developing architecture content, transitioning, and governing the realization of architectures. All of these activities are carried out within an iterative cycle of continuous architecture definition and realization that allows organizations to transform their enterprises in a controlled manner in response to business goals and opportunities. Phases within the ADM are as follows: Preliminary Phase, Phase A; Architecture Vision, Phase B; Business Architecture, Phase C; Information Systems Architecture, Phase D; Technology Architecture, Phase E; Opportunities and Solutions, Phase F; Migration Planning, Phase G; Implementation Governance, Phase H. Architecture Change Management Requirements Management. The Enterprise Continuum is a view of the architecture repository that provides methods for classifying architecture and solution artifacts as they evolve from generic foundation architectures to organization-specific architectures. The Enterprise Continuum comprises 2 complementary concepts: the Architecture Continuum and the Solutions Continuum. The Enterprise Continuum is the concept of an architecture repository which can be used to store different classes of architectural output at different levels of abstraction, created by the ADM. The Enterprise Continuum and Architecture Repository. Architects are encouraged to leverage all other relevant architectural resources and assets in developing an organization-specific architecture. Architecture Repository composed by: 1. Architecture Meta Model, 2. Architecture Landscape, 3. Standards Information Base (SIB) for Reference Library, 5. Governance Log. Establishing and maintaining an enterprise architecture capability. In order to carry out architectural activity effectively within an enterprise, it is necessary to put in place an appropriate business capability for architecture, through organization structures, roles, responsibilities, skills, and processes. The enterprise architecture practice should establish capabilities in the following areas: financial management, performance management, service management, risk management, resource management, communications and stakeholder management, quality management, supplier management, configuration management and environment management.